Hello and welcome back. Our today's topic for learning is rural marketing mix. So let's get started. When we hear the word marketing mix, first thing comes to our mind is four P's, that is product, price, place and promotion. They are the pillars of the marketing. But when we talk about the rural marketing, this mix changes. It changes because rural market is not as the same as urban market is. Obviously, that four P's are important to the rural marketing, but along with that, there are other four factors which are more important to the rural market and form the rural marketing mix. The rural marketing contains affordability, availability, awareness, and acceptance. And it altogether forms a rural marketing mix or four A's of rural marketing. We will discuss each of this mix content deeply one by one. So let's move to the next slide. Affordability to the rural consumer. It is a fact that per capita rural income are higher, but the people are highly price sensitive into the rural areas. So it becomes important for the marketer to create an affordable product or services, but which does not mean to create a low quality product. The low cost should not mean to the low quality. The product should be uniquely designed for them, which would be of low cost and good quality for them. For example, sachets of a branded personal care products. To conclude, the affordability in rural area means within their purchasing power. So affordability into the rural area is equal to within their purchasing powers. Now we will shift to the next A, that is availability. Availability to the rural consumer. Availability remains the single largest challenge for the marketer into the rural area as the population is scattered. In India, 6,40,867 villages are spread over 3.2 million square kilometers, and the infrastructure is not so sound to reach the vastness of the country. By developing a strong distribution system, such as when a product is reached to small towns, there may not be need to reach up to the every village. The local retailers will transport the goods by themselves to the village. Our next A is awareness. Awareness to the rural consumers. Low literacy level remains a stumbling block for any communication message for rural consumers. However, the new generation literacy ratio is increasing but not up to the mark. But the excess of mass media is high, especially to the television and also smartphones. But they generally project the products and services which are utilized into the urban areas more. The alternative tool is wall painting, vans, road shows, etc. to create awareness among them. Creating awareness into the rural consumer is a very tough challenge for any marketer because they don't easily trust to any marketer and needs a strong background of that product or service to be trusted into the rural areas. Fourth A is acceptability of the rural consumers. Acceptability of the product or service into the rural consumer is critical to understand. A product or service designed for the urban area may not be necessarily successful in the rural markets. But to be successful into the rural market, the marketer needs to understand their lifestyle, needs, and demands, which are different from the urban consumers. Accordingly, to different observations, the product that shows greater versatility and adaptability to the rural consumers have a greater hit into the rural markets. For example, Nokia phones which contain storage, low cost and regional languages fitted into it gain a great success without any much publicity. So once a product or service fulfills rural concerns on all aspects of the marketing mix, it becomes suitable for rural marketers. If the marketer concentrates on each of the A's of rural marketing, surely he will gain a hit success into the rural areas. Thank you and stay tuned for the further videos.